If you want a six-pack that actually shows, listen closely, because I'm about to give you the 5 most effective ab exercises ever tested. Scientists measured real muscle activation across 13 different ab movements, and the results were wild. One exercise hit 248% more activation than crunches. Another reached 310%. And yes, those numbers are real. But here's the truth. Most people stick to the easy stuff, the exercises that burn a little but don't build anything. And the moment they try the one move that actually works, the one that feels too hard, they quit. Meanwhile, that same too hard exercise is exactly why athletes and fitness models have abs that look carved out of stone. So before we start, drop a comment. Which part of your abs gives you the most trouble? Upper, lower, or obliques? All right, let's jump into the 5 movements that actually build visible abs. Exercise 1, ab wheel rollouts. This is one of the most powerful ab builders on the planet, if you do it correctly. How to do it right? Kneel down and place the wheel under your shoulders. Brace your core like someone's about to punch you. Roll forward with straight arms. Keep your back flat, not bowed. Roll only as far as you can keep your spine straight. When your back wants to bend, stop. Pull yourself back with your abs. With practice, you'll reach almost parallel to the ground, and eventually, standing rollouts. The prep rep problem most people ignore. Most ab exercises stop working because once you can do more than 20 to 30 reps, you're no longer building muscle, just endurance. Your abs adapt, they plateau, nothing changes. That's why you need this next one. Exercise 2, weighted cable crunch. The best part? You can add weight forever, so your abs never adapt. How to do it? Attach a rope to a high cable. Kneel 2 to 3 feet away. Hold the rope beside your head. Keep your hips forward and still. They do not move. Crunch your chest toward your hips by bending your spine. Drive elbows down, round your upper back, hold 1 to 2 seconds. Control the return. Start with 20 to 40 pounds. Do 12 to 15 reps for 3 to 4 sets. Add weight once you can hit 15 clean reps. This exercise produced the famous 310% activation on your obliques and also works your six-pack at the same time. Exercise 3, hanging leg raises. Most people quit these because they think it's about lifting the legs. It's not. It's about curling the lower abs. Correct form. Hang from a bar, pull shoulders down, bring knees up, then crunch your lower stomach to lift your knees even higher. Your hips should curl slightly. Hold 1 second, lower slowly. Too hard? Use the captain's chair first. Work up to 3 sets of 6 to 10 reps, then progress to straight leg raises. This is one of the strongest lower ab and oblique activators ever tested. Exercise 4, bicycle crunch. The highest rated floor ab exercise, no equipment needed. It works because your abs alternate between stretching and squeezing with no rest. How to do it right? Lay on your back, hands beside your head, don't pull your neck. Bring both knees up. Right knee in, left shoulder across. Other leg straight, a few inches off the floor. Switch sides slowly, 2 to 3 seconds each. Do 10 to 15 reps per side for 3 sets. Go slower to make it harder. Exercise 5, decline reverse crunch, lower abs. The lower abs are the hardest to develop, but this move targets them directly. How to do it? Set decline bench to 30 to 45 degrees. Head at the upper end, hold behind you. Knees bent. Lift your hips, not your legs. Round your lower back. Hold 1 second. Lower slowly. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps twice a week. Around rep 8 to 10, your lower abs should be on fire. If you want abs that actually grow, stop relying on endless crunches. Real results come from movements that stretch your abs, overload them, and hit every section from every angle. Stick to these 5. Keep your form clean, stay consistent, and your abs won't just get stronger. They'll finally start to show. Now it's your turn. Which of the 5 are you starting today? If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone still doing 1,000 crunches for nothing. Train smart, stay disciplined. See you in the next one.